Traders, how you doing? And welcome to the channel. In today's video, we're going to do this weekly, again, a Bitcoin update on what the chart's looking at, what potentially could be in store for Bitcoin for the days ahead or the week ahead, and potential setups we could look for either long or short Bitcoin. So let's take a look at it. So if we start this daily chart, one of the things I like about Bitcoin is we've kind of had, from this movement around 30K, we've had impulse, loss of momentum, and a harder reset. Now, if you watch my streams or you watch A1 Trading, you'll know I talk about impulse, loss of momentum, harder reset, continuation to the upside. And we're kind of got that here with Bitcoin. So we had this decent impulse from 30 grand. At this point in time, just looking at the charts, you can see a potential loss of momentum here. I know we had some fundamental news here, but as a technical trader, that is irrespective to me. What we had then was a nice complex corrective in the form of this ABC, which a lot of the times you do see this harder reset come in the form of a larger ABC. And the pattern is essentially this pullback from this movement to the upside. So pull back in and looking for continuation to the upside. Now, at this point in time, once we broke through, I was looking at potential shorts on Bitcoin when I counted this possible head and shoulders pattern. So I was looking for a possible complex corrective, a catalyst to go short on Bitcoin. However, this pattern was always there for your bias to the long side. And this day, a couple of days ago or a week ago, changed that bias where it looked as if this was going to be that harder reset for movement to the upside. And that's exactly what we got. So we got a decent bullish bar here, a good bullish bar here, and now we've moved up to these previous highs. So in terms of potential setups from my trading style personally, if I get something like this, you probably may expect a reaction around this area because we had a reaction previously, markets have a memory and all that. But if we get something like this, a potential cut with handle where we get a reaction here, some sellers coming in, but buyers eventually taking control on a potential pullback from this initial impulse here, this could be decent for a breakout to the upside. Now, we know with Bitcoin, if it has momentum, it can move. So there's no doubt that if we break above this level, that could give some confidence into the market for us moving to this next major level, probably psychological level at around 60K. So for me, Bitcoin looks pretty good. Impulse, loss of momentum, harder reset, push through back to these highs. So if we do break above these highs, we could possibly break through and retest this area before continuation to the downside. We could continue on upside from that break, and obviously we can fall. I mean, we don't know what's going to happen in the future. I wish I had a crystal ball, but I don't. So there is that scenario. But for me, the bias has to be long Bitcoin. I would just watch out for a possible reaction here at this resistance area before moving to the upside. And the reason why I say that is if we look at where we've come from on this 4-hour chart, we had a nice push through, correction back to around that 20 simple, a good bullish hammer, and another push through. So this movement has been quite good. We can't expect prices just to continue up, 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 up. That's not really how markets work. Now, maybe in Bitcoin's early years, it could do that, and to an extent, it still can push on out with technical analysis. However, I think we see some sort of reaction here on the smaller time frames, possibly even on that daily chart as I've just discussed. So in terms of entries, maybe buying on a pullback here for added confirmation, buying on a break and close or a break and retest above that area. I would just watch out for a potential pullback. Right, guys, if you like that video, make sure you hit the like button. If you're not subscribed to the channel and you like how I analyze the markets, as I said, I'm always trying to keep things simple, even as a trader now for 6 years. So if you like my analysis, make sure you hit that sub button. I stream 3 times a week, Monday, Wednesday, Friday, 1 p.m. GST. If you are looking to level up your trading, have a look at the link down below, RT-Forex. We give a 7-day free trial and also give one $50,000 FTMO challenge to one member every single month. So if you're interested in that, links down below, and I'll see you in the next video. Trade safe. Peace.